properties of whole numbers. What are the properties of whole numbers? Closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Okay. Then identity of whole numbers. What is the additive identity for whole numbers? Additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity for whole numbers is 1. Okay. In the last class we studied to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Today we are going to study the product by suitable rearrangement. Okay. See here. Here the question is 2 into 1768 into 50. In this question the numbers are 2, 1768 and 50. You can, according to associative property, we can find this product in any order. We can find this as 2 into 1768 into 50, or this is equal to 2 into 1768 into 50, or which is equal to 2 into 50 into 1768. All these are correct. You can multiply in any one of these ways. Why? Because according to associative property, we can multiply the whole numbers in 3 whole numbers in any order. Okay. Here, if in question, if we here look here, the numbers here are 2768 and 50. If we group 2 and 50 together, we get a multiple of 10. Then it is easy for multiplication. So this is for convenience we take the arrangement like this, 2 into 50 into 1768. So that here 2 into 50 is 100. 100 into 1768 equal to 100 into 1768. All others are correct. Okay. 100 into 1768 equal to 1,76,800. Okay. Once again, if in numbers, according to associative property, we can multiply the three whole numbers in any order. So you can find this product by any one of these 3 arrangements. Okay. Among this one is easy because the 2 numbers here, 2 and 50, if we group these 2 numbers together, we get the product as a multiple of 10. That is 2 into 50 equal to 100. 100 into, if we multiply any number with a 10 or 100 or in a multiple of 100, 10, it is easy for multiplication. So, for convenience, we take these 2 numbers together. 2 into 50 into 1768, we get this answer. Okay, clear? 4 into 166 into 25. In this case, if we group 4 and 25 together, we get a multiple of 10. 4 into 25 equal to 100. So, we group 4 into 25 together. So, we can write this as 4 into 25 into 166. Or we can write this as 4 into 166 into 25 or 4 into 166 into 25. All these are correct. Okay, for convenience we take the arrangement like this because 4 into 25 equal to 100, which is a multiple of 10. Here 4 into 25 equal to 100. 100 into 166 equal to 16,600. Okay. In this question, the numbers are 8, 291, 125. In these numbers, if we group 8 and 125 together, we get a multiple of 10. So, we can write this as 8 into 125 into 291. 8 into 125 is 1000. Therefore, 1000 into 291 equal to 2,91,000. Okay. Once again, in order to find the product by suitable rearrangement, check whether the given numbers has, if we multiply two numbers, the answer is a multiple of 10. If in the question there are numbers like this 5 and 2, 25 and 4, 125 and 8. If these numbers are there, we can group these numbers together. Why? Because if we multiply these numbers together, we get a multiple of 10. 5 into 2, 10, 25 into 4, 100, 125 into 8, 1000. So we group such numbers together. In here also, we group 8 and 125 together. Well, because 8 into 125 equal to 1000. Okay? Clear? Once again, in this chapter whole numbers, we studied about properties of whole numbers. What are the properties? Closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Closure property states that if we add any two whole numbers, the answer will be a whole number. For addition, it is true. For subtraction, if we find the difference between two whole numbers, the answer will not be a whole number. So, whole numbers are closed under addition but not under subtraction. Similarly, the whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Why? If we multiply any two whole numbers, we get the whole number. Similarly, the whole numbers are not closed under division. If we divide two whole numbers, the answer may not be the whole number. Okay, clear? This is the closure property. So we can say that the whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication only. The next property is commutative. The commutative property states that we can add two numbers in any order. And we cannot subtract two numbers in any order. We can multiply two numbers in any order. We cannot divide two numbers in any order. From this we can say that the whole numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication only. Okay. Then associative property. For addition, any three whole numbers can be grouped in any order. For subtraction, any three whole numbers cannot be regrouped in any order. For multiplication, any three whole numbers can be grouped in any order. For division, we cannot group any three whole numbers in any order. So we can say that the whole numbers are associative under addition and multiplication only. Then distributive property. We can distribute the multiplication over addition and subtraction. You know distributive property? If 12 into 4 plus 1. This is distributive property. According to distributive property, we can distribute multiplication over addition. That is, we multiply 12 into 4 as well as 1. That is 12 into 4 plus here then 12 into 1. This is distributive property. Similarly, we can distribute multiplication over subtraction also. Okay. Then identity. What is the identity for multiplication or multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is 1. Why? Because if we multiply 1 to any whole number, we get the whole number itself. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. What is the additive identity? Additive identity is 0, because if we add 0 to any whole number, or if any whole number is added to 0, we get the whole number itself. So 0 is the additive identity. Okay. Work out exercise 2.2, first, second and third question. The rest of the questions, sub questions, you should do as homework.